Well, at the end of part one of the two-part video series, I was in the process of printing the picking ticket and the video cutoff. So at the very bottom, I click print, and then this is what came up. So the print ticket is here in front of you now. You want to review this ticket, and then you'll go back to the home screen. And then you'll continue on from there. You want to process the individual unit. Let me see here. Yeah, review your print ticket 18, and then line 19 is return to the home screen. And then you'll just go and select shipping right here. And you'll just continue on through, and you'll eventually finish. And don't forget, while you're completing this, that you continue to fill out your, pull it up. You continue to fill out your turn-in sheet. You want to turn in your turn-in sheet into Blackboard as part of your project, along with your written narrative and your document flow chart. And I'm thinking, like the swim lanes like we did earlier in the course. And if you don't have to like print this form and use the exact one. You can just retype this and just do 1, 2, 3, 4 and just write down the answers. However you want to do it, that'd be fine with me. And we already gave you the first one in the prior video, part 1. So if you have any questions, please email me. I'll be more than willing to help you as best I can. Thank you.